This is Casio 991EX calculator. This is FX 991EX Casio. So it looks like this type of model. So today I will show you how to use this calculator for matrix calculation. For matrix calculation, first you have to turn this calculator in matrix mode. So firstly tap on this button on. Second, go to setup, or sorry, not setup, here is menu. After that you have to go 4 because here is matrix. In 4 there is matrix, that's why you have to click 4. Firstly, the first matrix we have to take, that's why mat A means matrix A. So I click here 1. Here they are asking for number of rows. So example, I am taking 3 by 3 matrix, that's why row 3 and column also 3. Then this type of page they are showing us. So suppose I am taking an example. Firstly, first element is 1. After that you have to click equal sign. Then second element 2. After that equal sign. So now I am taking an example as my wish. So first element 1, then 2, then 3. Equal sign. Like this. 2, 4, 5 and 3, 5, 6. Okay. Then this matrix A calculation is completed. That's why I click here AC. Means all clear. Okay. Completed. After that you have to go on option OPTN means option. After that we are taking one more matrix, that is matrix B, because for adding purpose or subtracting purpose or multiplication purpose we need one more matrix. So that is matrix B. So here is matrix B, you can see. So I am firstly I have to go define matrix 1 and then matrix B 2. Then again they are asking about number of rows and columns 3. As per your question, you can take your matrix B value, but for example I am taking the same matrix again 1 2 3 2 4 5 and 3 5 6. After that again I am clicking here all clear. So firstly adding purpose I am using this. So go to OPTN means option. Click here 3 because here is matrix A, you can see 3. After that plus, go to option again and 4 equals, that is. So here you can see 2 4 6 4 5 10 like this. If you can see the smallest thing there, here you can see 2. So 4 6 4 9 10, that is like this. This is the matrix and it is the small and it is the big. Okay, here is 6 and here is also 6 10 10. If you can't see here, then you can check it here. Okay, so how to calculate a square or a cube? So go to option, go to 3 matrix A and x square equal to answer. If it is a cube or matrix A cube, then go to option matrix 3 and shift x to the power, sorry, shift x cube equal to, that is the answer. Okay, so after that how to find inverse of matrix? So go to option and matrix A x inverse. Okay, it is the answer of the inverse of matrix. 1 minus 3 2 minus 3 3 minus 1 2 minus 1 6. Sorry, not 6 0. Okay, this is the answer of inverse of matrix. And after that go to all clear. After that, if you want to find the determinant value of the matrix, then go to option and press here. That means there is too many options, that's why this sign, this black sign. Okay, then go to here, determinant. Here is the option of determinant. Press 2. Determinant of which matrix? Matrix A or matrix B? As if till now I am giving you example of only matrix A, that's why here I am giving you the example of matrix B. Though here I am taking matrix A and matrix B same. So here is, go to option, matrix B. Okay, equals to minus 1. That means the determinant value of this matrix is minus 1. Okay, so press AC and check it here. If you press AC also, here is the sign matrix always. Okay, so if you close the calculator also, when you on this calculator, then the same thing is here, matrix. So how to delete it? Press shift, after that 9. Okay, setup data, memory, initialize all. So here I am going to set up data equals to, okay, completed. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if it is important or if it is essential for you, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.